Good morning, student. This is your GK period, means general knowledge period. So, today we get the knowledge about medical equipments. Okay, so let's start your chapter of lesson 15, medical equipments. Write down date and quotation on this chapter. First of all, date is 18/9/2020 and the quotation is love wins all. So student, after writing the date and quotation, you must about know the doctors. Yes, doctor treats the person when we are ill. Okay, doctor is the person who treats us when we are ill. When we are ill, doctor check about our health to use some instrument like stethoscope, like syringe, blood pressure machine. There are so many instruments the doctor used for checking us. Okay, so today in your chapter we have some instrument. We have to learn about that instrument, what is the function of that instrument. Okay, so we start. Number 1, what is this students, can you tell me? This is thermometer. So first of all, you write the spelling of thermometer. THERMOMETR, meter, thermometer. Thermometer is used to check the temperature. If we suffering from fever, then we use thermometer to check the temperature. So it is used to check a patient's temperature. Okay, you very well now, everyone in your house you have the thermometer. Yes. Number 2 is stethoscope. Children, you have the kit, doctor's kit. Some students tell me, ma'am, I want to become a doctor, so they have the stethoscope. That is not original, that is the toy stethoscope, but doctors use original stethoscope. It is used to listen the sound of coming from a patient's chest. They listen the sound, their pulses are going properly or not. Okay, so stethoscope is also used by the doctors. Okay, stethoscope. Student, write the spelling of stethoscope. 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 How to spell it? Stethoscope. And this one is thermometer. Okay, the second one is, it is a very dangerous. Yes, how many students cry when doctors inject the syringe? You are a brave. Okay, yes. See what is the function of syringe? You know very well, this is the syringe. If you are not doing your study well, I will inject the syringe in your body. Okay, the spelling of syringe is SYRINGE. Syringe. Okay, syringe. And now we see what is the use of syringe, why doctor used it. It helps to send medicine directly into a patient's blood or muscles. What is the use of it? If the patient is not able to take some medicine by this syringe, we have to inject the medicine in the patient's body, and sometimes we take the blood for checking something, so we used it. Okay, we have to use it. Number 4, what is this? Student, the name of this instrument is very typical. Sphygmometer. The name of the machine is sphygmomanometer. स्फाइगमो, okay, और मैनो, MANO, manometer, sphygmo manometer, okay. It is used to check the blood pressure of patient. It has a cloth, the cloth is wrapped on patient's hand. Then doctors check the blood pressure, okay. Write the spelling correctly. SPHYGMO, sphygmo mano, MANO, manometer, okay. And the last one is, it is very dangerous also, it is very dangerous. It is used to perform surgeries. When the doctors do the operation, then we use these types of knife, different type of knives. These are called surgical knife, okay. They cut the skin, okay. It is very crucial time. SURGICAL, surgical knife, KNIFE, knife. So student, here are 5 instruments. You have to learn these instruments and do more and more practice. For what? To do more and more study. Then you become a doctor and then you are able to use these instruments, okay. Learn the spelling carefully, okay. It is also called BP instrument, blood pressure instrument, okay. It is also called.